Welcome. This guide will walk you through setting up an account on DigitalOcean, connecting it to your Node.js project, and integrating Green API through a glitch project. Step 1. Create and configure your DigitalOcean account. Sign up for DigitalOcean. Visit DigitalOcean.com and create an account. You can use your email or sign in with Google/GitHub. Set up billing. To access DigitalOcean's resources, add billing details. You'll receive free trial credits, which are helpful during testing. Step 2. Create a Node.js droplet. Go to the Droplets section from your DigitalOcean dashboard, click on Droplets, and select Create Droplet. Choose Node.js. Under the One-Click Apps section, select Node.js to create a ready-to-use environment. Configure your droplet. Choose a data center region near you and select a basic plan with at least 1 GB of memory. Create the droplet and note its IP address, which you'll need for connecting to your server. Step 3. Connecting to your droplet via the console. Instead of setting up SSH manually, DigitalOcean offers a built-in console feature for easy access. Refer to the screenshot provided. In the Droplet Console section, click on the blue Console button. This will open a terminal window directly in your browser, allowing you to access your server without any external SSH setup. Step 4. Remixing your glitch project. To set up your Green API integration, choose one of the pre-configured glitch projects based on your needs. Project options: send only to uncontacts. The bot will send messages only to people who are not contacts. Code that sends only to people. The bot will send messages only to individual users, regardless of whether they are contacts. Code that send to everyone. The bot will send messages to everyone, including WhatsApp groups. Go to glitch.com. Search for one of the projects above and select it. Click Remix this to create your copy. Step 5. Cloning the project to DigitalOcean. Copy the Git URL. In Glitch, open Advanced Options in your project settings and copy the Git URL. Clone to DigitalOcean. Return to the console in DigitalOcean. Navigate to /var/www/html and type the following command: bash copy code git clone Voiceflow Green API, replace with the Git URL from Glitch. Step 6. Set environment variables in server.js. Gather required keys. Voiceflow API key. Available in your Voiceflow project's settings under API and integrations. Voiceflow version ID, also in your Voiceflow project settings. Edit server.js. Open server.js in the console. nano/var/www/html/voiceflow-green API/server.js. Paste the following variables at the top of the file, replacing placeholders with your values. Const API key equals your VF API key. Const version ID = your VF version ID. Const VFDM URL. Tachki HTTPS general runtime.voiceflow.com. Const port HAFI 3000. Press Ctrl+X, then Y to save and press Enter to confirm. Step 7. Install PM2 and run the server. Install PM2. To keep your server running in the background, install PM2. npm install PM2-G. Start the server. Launch your server using PM2. PM2 start server.js --name Voiceflow server. Ensure PM2 restarts on reboots. Run the following commands to keep PM2 running. PM2 startup, PM2 save. Step 8. Configure DigitalOcean Firewall to allow port 3000. Open port 3000. Run the following command to open port 3000. Sudo ufw, allow 3000/TCP reload the firewall. After allowing the port, apply changes by reloading ufw. Sudo ufw reload verify ufw status. Confirm that port 3000 is listed as allowed. Sudo ufw status. Step 9. Register for Green API and set up account. Referral link. To get started quickly with Green API, use this referral link: https://greenapi.com /referral /swayswift. You can also find the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for an easy setup experience. Create a Green API account. Go to Green API and create an account. Choose a subscription. Select a plan that fits your messaging needs. Scan the QR code. In the Green API dashboard, go to Scan QR. You will need to scan this QR code with WhatsApp, just as you would for WhatsApp Web, to complete the connection. Get your Green API token and URL. In your Green API dashboard, locate your API token and API URL for sending messages. Add Green API variables to server.js. Open server.js and add these variables at the top, replacing placeholders with your values. Const Green API token. Your Green API token. Const Green API URL. http .api.greenapi.com/way instance/send message/+green API token. This setup will allow Green API to connect directly to your WhatsApp account, enabling automated message handling. Remember, the referral link is in the description for easy access. https://greenapi.com/referrals/Swayswift. Step 10. Testing and accessing the webhook URL. Test the server. Make sure your server is running by typing curl http localhost:3000. If successful, you should see the confirmation message. Access the webhook URL. Replace with your droplet IP in the URL http://:3000/webhook. Conclusion. By following these steps, you have successfully set up a DigitalOcean Droplet, connected it with a glitch project for Green API integration, and configured it to handle messaging with Voiceflow. Choose the appropriate glitch project based on your messaging needs, and enjoy the integration of Voiceflow with Green API on DigitalOcean. A quick reminder that on Green API there is no buttons option, so just use intent.